to install your BLAZER CWL622 Quick Install Light Kit with remote. Here are the tools you'll need to complete the installation. And here are the items that come with the system. Note, the unit is designed for a 12-volt DC battery system. If you have a larger system, please check your vehicle's owner's manual to determine if a 12-volt DC output is available and how to connect it safely. First, disconnect the vehicle's battery. Find a suitable surface near the vehicle's battery and clean the surface to remove any oil or dirt. Affix the module to the surface using the provided adhesive strips. Only if needed, drill pilot holes and use the provided screws to secure the module through the mounting holes. Remove the fuse from the holder on the back of the module. Securely attach the positive red cable of the module to the positive clamp or terminal of the battery. Likewise, securely attach the negative black cable from the module to the negative battery cable or chassis. Attach the desired auxiliary lights or equipment to the module, following the correct polarity for each terminal. Do not exceed the maximum amperage of the channels. Note, the maximum amperage that is printed on the module corresponds to the amperage printed on the wireless remote control for each bank of terminals. Secure all wires so as not to interfere with engine operations. Reconnect the battery cables. Insert the fuse back into the holder and snap the cover closed. Note the remote includes a 12-volt alkaline battery. The unit has been paired at the factory and is now ready to be used. Test the system by pressing the remote button and checking the auxiliary light or equipment operation. If you experience any problems with your installation, refer back to the instructions or call our tech support team at 1-800-835-0129. BLAZER International lights the way.